जय श्रीमन्नारायण. किष्किंधाकांड. Tara, Angada, along with Hanuma, all of those great soldiers searching for Sita Devi in south side. They went to Vindhya Parvata mountain. They started searching everywhere around that Vindhya mountain. They are searching in the places which are very scary place. They are searching in the places in which nobody can enter. They are searching in the places where there is no water, where there is no any animal living. And they are searching into places where there is no any kind of food. Kandurnama Mahabhagaha Satyavadi Tapodhanaha. They also went to a place called Kandu Maharshi Ashramam. That Kandu Maharshi used to live there. He used to be very angry Maharshi because his 16-year-old son died in that place. He placed a curse that no animal should enter my place. That is why in that ashramam no birds, no animals are living. In that place, in that ashramam also, Hanuman and other soldiers searching for Sita Devi everywhere. Hanuman and all other soldiers searching for Sita Devi in south side, but they could not find Sita. They could not find Ravana's place. And they all searched in everywhere in Kandu Maharshi Ashramam. At one place, they have seen huge Rakshasa. That Rakshasa is like a big mountain. And when all these Vanaras have seen that Rakshasa, now Vanaras are getting ready to fight with him. Then Rakshasa has seen all these Vanaras and now saying that, "Oh Vanaras, today all of you are going to be killed in my hands." At that time, without delaying any more, Angada Ravanoyam iti jnatva talena abhijaghanaha. Ravana flew and with his palm hit that Rakshasa, saying that maybe this is Ravana. Like that, when Angada hit very hardly that Rakshasa, while vomiting so much of blood, immediately died. And after that, all Vanaras now got some kind of happiness because they could kill one Rakshasa. With that happiness, they all started again searching everywhere, in every place for Sita Devi. And finally, when they could not find Sita anywhere, they all came back to one place. They all feeling so much depressed and despair. At that time, Angada is now addressing all the Vanaras. "Oh, my dear soldiers, yes, we have searched everywhere, but we could not find Sita Devi. And Kalaschano Mahanyataha." Whatever the time our Raja Sugriva gave, that time is also over now. Definitely Sugriva is going to punish all of us. But now, with all of our zeal, let us get over with this kind of despair, depression, grief and laziness. Let us again start searching for Sita Devi with all amount of zeal. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.